In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust inventory in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to look out for so your item details and stock levels reflect reality in your books. Start by opening your browser and heading to Xero.com. Once you're signed in to the correct organization, take a moment to make sure you're on the main dashboard so the top navigation is visible. This helps you move quickly between the areas that relate to your items and how they flow through your accounts. First, open the Purchases area. This view is useful because inventory movements often start with bills from suppliers, and seeing the purchases context can help you confirm you're adjusting the right item. If your workflow is purchase driven, this is where most quantity and cost updates begin in practice. Next, switch over to sales. Looking at the sales side gives you a clear picture of how the same items appear when they're invoiced to customers. Toggling between purchases and sales is a simple way to confirm you've selected the correct item before you make any changes that affect pricing, descriptions, or stock availability. Now go to products and services. This is the central list of your inventory and non-inventory items. You'll see item names, codes or SKUs, quantities if tracked, and pricing. If you manage a lot of items, use the search bar or filters to narrow the list so you don't accidentally edit the wrong record. Select the item you want to update by clicking it. This opens its detail page where you can review current settings, recent activity, and the fields you're about to change. Pause here to verify the item code and description match what's on your physical count sheet or supplier documentation. Choose Edit Item. The edit screen is where you can update the core details. Depending on how the item is set up, you may see fields for sales price, purchase cost, tax settings, inventory tracking, and, in some setups, stock on hand. Make your adjustment. Update the fields that reflect the correction you need, such as descriptions, prices, accounts, and, if available in your setup, the quantity or valuation. If your item is tracked and you don't see a quantity field, that's normal in some configurations. Your access and item settings determine what can be edited directly. When changing prices or costs, consider how it affects margins and reports, and add a clear note in the description so your team understands why the change was made. When you're done, click Save. Give the page a second to refresh, then confirm the item now shows the correct details in products and services. If something looks off, reopen the item and fine-tune it right away.